in my YouTube batters. Ooh, excuse me. Doggone. I belch. I belch when I said betters. But yeah, hey look, I just wanted to give y'all a little sneak peek on a sneak peek and a sneak here on the Trailblazer beat. As y'all heard, man, the first one was was for the Tahoe, you know what I'm saying? I finished that one up. This right here, which is gonna be the second video. Trying to think how I want to do that though. Yeah, this gonna be the second video. I'm gonna put the first one up. It's going up today. You know what I'm saying? When I get off the phone, if y'all haven't seen that one, check it out, man. The first video, I'm gonna call it making beats for Groove Pad. 2017 Impala making beats for Groove Pad. You know what I'm saying? So I always say 2017 Impala. So when I want to go back and look at the old video, I can type that in and I'll be there. Boom, JP Chevy. You feel me? But before I get it started and stuff, yes, sir. Squad. Hey, man, let's get that beat. Like I said, just giving y'all a little sneak peek of how I'm gonna do it for the Trailblazer, 2021 Trailblazer. Yes, sir. As y'all see, I got them all going at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. And like I said, once again, I hope y'all can hear this here. So y'all getting the rough draft first, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even got it recorded yet, as you can see. I'm just going through the motions with it. But this what it's gonna sound about like. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sir. That thing sound good, don't it? And see, on into the recording and the music and stuff, I break it down, you know what I'm saying? I come back and I break it down. I'll do it something like this right here. Boom, boom, boom. That, you know what I'm saying, I'll turn around and bring the beat back in. I'll bring in the arc. Let that ride for a little minute, you know what I'm saying? Then I bring back the signal. I'm trying to wait. I gotta wait so it get all the way around together. And then boom. See what I'm saying? Then I bring back the pad. Boom. And that's how I do my beats right there, man. That's how I do it right there, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, like I said on my other video, if y'all haven't seen that, go check it out, man. But be sure to hit the like button, man. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed to me, man. I'm going up, man. I'm going up. 2021, I'm going up. You feel me? And I just want to make these 2 videos, man. Like I say, this the second one. The first one coming out first, though, of course, you know what I'm saying. But I ain't showing my face. I'm just showing, you know, what the Groove Pad be about. The Groove Pad app. And how I make my beats. You know what I'm saying? They go to my call reviews and stuff. Yeah, sir. But let me get on this beat right quick. Make it right fast. You know what I'm saying? And then go on to bed, man, because I gotta wait 12 hours tonight. Today is Tuesday, you know what I'm saying? This is Tuesday. So this one right here probably go up on a Wednesday. And then I'm gonna put the 2021, I'm gonna put them up like Thursday and Friday. Yeah, sir. So stay tuned to that. Hey man, it's JP Chevy, man. I'm out.